Let's learn how to use the animation tool in myViewBoard to make your lessons a little more interactive. So here we have mitosis, and I want these to appear in order. So I'm going to select the first image, and then you're going to notice in the menu below that there's the 3 dots on the far right, and one of the options is animation, and I have the choice to fade in or fade out. I'm going to choose fade in because I want this to not be there and then appear. You'll notice you can choose the speed of your animation as well. Once you have it selected, what we need to do is put myViewBoard in present mode. So if you look in the bottom left above the floating toolbar, you're going to see that there is a play button. This play button puts myViewBoard in present mode, and you'll notice that my image disappeared, and if I click or tap it, it will fade in just like we told it to. Now let's exit present mode here and let's apply fade in to the rest of the images. Again, using the select tool, we're just going to touch and drag to select the remaining images. Go to the 3 dots, choose animation, and then fade in so we can apply it to all these objects at the same time. Just don't forget that you have to put it in present mode. Now we can go through the parts of mitosis in order using fade in. Let's look at a different example. So I'm going to take it out of present mode. I've made these objects, they're squares with a question mark in it, and I'm using them to cover up these other objects. So you can see that we have our sentences here, and I want these boxes to disappear as someone selects them. So I'm going to cover up this object, and again, we're going to use the select tool to select it. We're going to go to the 3 dots and animation, but this time we're going to choose fade out, because I want them to disappear. Now it's important to note that I don't click and drag all the objects because there are objects covering other objects, and if we were to click and drag it would select everything and then accidentally make those other ones fade out. Let's go ahead and put this in present mode to see what it looks like when you do fade out, and you'll see the boxes disappear to reveal the object behind them. Now when you're using objects, they are layered. So this rectangle, you'll notice if I put it over handwriting, it doesn't actually cover handwriting because any kind of pen tool is always on top no matter what. But I can cover the text box because text and objects and images can be layered. When you select an object, the layer button is right here, letting you move it up and down. If you're not sure about layering, be sure to check out our other video on how to do that.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to pdteamus@viewsonic.com.